The easiest way I found to create a magic circle is to take your yarn, wrap it around your pinky to give it some tension, and then going back to front, wrap it around your first two fingers so that you create this X on top of your hand. And then take your hook, put it under the top yarn, over the bottom yarn, and then lift up and twist so that you create this loop on top of your hook. And then grab the yarn back there, pull it through that loop, and that creates a slip knot. Now you can start working your single crochet stitches into this loop. So to do that, you're going to stick your hook in the hole, grab the yarn, pull it through the hole, yarn over, and pull it through those two loops. That is one single crochet stitch. Depending on how many stitches your pattern calls for would be how many you would need to add. For this example, we'll use 5. So we'll stick the hook back through the hole, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the two loops, that's 2. Stick it through the hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the two loops, that's 3. Stick it through the hole, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the two loops again, that's 4, and stick it through the hole once more, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through the loops, that's 5. The last thing you'll need to do is to close the circle. And in order to do this, you just grab the tail yarn here and pull on it until the circle is closed. And that completes your first row for your project.